All right, we've got it to the stage that we want it right now. And what you want to do, just kind of take, I don't really know, take your inside hand and kind of press it out while you're pressing in here. And I'm taking my hand here and I'm pressing out with this and I'm squeezing in with this. Does that make sense? And it's like this is what's happening. See? And it's making, it's like a little jar or something going on right here. But I'm not looking for a little jar. I am looking for a beautiful vase. Now, and then, yeah, keep on going. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to use my favorite rib. Make this real fat. See? Just some lines on there. Okay? Like that. And this is the closed form part. What I'm doing is I'm pinching the neck in, and I've left enough clay up there to where I can just keep on throwing it in, and closing it up ever so carefully to where I trap the air in there like that. See? And now, you can do whatever you want with it, because it's got air trapped in there. So let's go ahead and give it some crazy form.